Hi there. Do you think you know if an annuity is an insurance tool or a retirement planning tool? Well, by the end of this video, I'll share all the facts with you so you'll know exactly where an annuity falls in those two categories before you go signing on that dotted line. I'm Michael Malone, and for the best annuity advice and information, be sure to subscribe to my channel here, and also be sure to click on that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Now, first and foremost, when it comes to annuities and whether they're an insurance tool or a retirement planning tool, they really are both. And I'll kind of dig into that a little bit more as we go through this short video here. But when you look at an annuity is an insurance tool, and it is also a retirement planning tool. And I'll kind of break those down for you. Now, in regards to an annuity being an insurance tool, an annuity is it's a contract. It's a contract that you have with an insurance company, very similar to maybe a life insurance policy contract or policy that you would have with an insurance company. So that's one of the first things when you look at an annuity as being an insurance tool, is that you have a contract with an insurance company as part of that annuity. That, therefore creating it being an insurance tool. However, although an annuity is an insurance tool, one thing that is very different between an annuity and, say, a life insurance policy that you're probably already familiar with, a life insurance policy has what is called a death benefit. So that life insurance policy is set up for when you pass away to pay out a death benefit to your beneficiary. So a life insurance policy has a death benefit, whereas an annuity has what is called a living benefit. The living benefit is for you as you're alive, and benefiting. Probably the most popular living benefit that you'll find in an annuity is what's called guaranteed retirement income. And that would be income that you would have all the way throughout retirement. I'll talk about that a little bit later as well. But just here, I want you to understand that one of the differences, although it is an insurance tool, one of the differences between an annuity and a life insurance policy is that life insurance policy that you're probably most familiar with has a death benefit. That benefit is paid out upon your death. Whereas the annuity, although it is insurance, has a living benefit, and that living benefit is paid out to you while you're alive. And by the way, if you'd like to have an annuity designed specifically for you around that guaranteed retirement income that I mentioned, do feel free to click on the link down below to apply to become my client. And after this video, I would recommend checking out the video I created called How Annuities May Protect Your Retirement Income. In that video, you'll learn more in depth as to how annuities might play a role in the retirement planning that you're doing and the guaranteed retirement income that they offer. And I'll include that link to that video in the description down below for you. And I would also share, I mentioned that annuities are more of a living benefit insurance tool. However, annuities, depending upon the annuity that you're looking at, annuities very often do have a death benefit along with them as well. It's not typically the primary reason why you would use an annuity, but I just want you to know that although an annuity is a living benefit tool, very often when you look at the individual annuities that you may be evaluating, you'll find that they may also offer a death benefit as well, similar to the life insurance policies we were talking about. And I mentioned that annuities obviously are also a retirement planning tool, along with being an insurance tool. I also touched a little bit on the guaranteed retirement income. And that really typically is a primary reason why annuities are used in that living benefit realm. The guaranteed retirement income simply means that the contract you have with the insurance company obligates them to pay your retirement income throughout your life. So from when you retire, which typically is going to be 59 and a half is the earliest you'll want to turn on the income from an annuity, you can have that income guaranteed to you for the rest of your life through all of your retirement years. So as a retirement planning tool, an annuity, typically the power that it has there for you is going to be that retirement income being guaranteed to you through the rest of your life. You can actually even think of an annuity when it comes to that guaranteed retirement income as kind of replacing a pension plan. We used to see more pension plans offered to employees throughout the years from corporations over the past decades. We don't really see those that much anymore, unfortunately. But when you look at an annuity, it can really replace that pension for you, something that you have a little bit more control of yourself, and something obviously that you would be funding yourself. But when you look at an annuity as a retirement planning tool, you can almost think of it as your own private personal pension. And once again, I would mention that if you would like to have an annuity designed specifically for you and around this guaranteed retirement income, do feel free to click on the link down below to apply to become my client. And if you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel here, and share it with a friend. Thanks for watching, and I hope something good happens to you out there today.